Brady writes, my dealership has a 2019 GTR 230 with 104 hours for sale at $9,700. I am looking to trade my 22 VX Cruiser as I'm wanting more speed. That's a good question. Here's the thing. 2020 is when Sea-Doo completely redesigned the GTI/GTR hull. The 2019 GTR 230 is a very fun, loose ski. It's playful, all right? It's not a hot rod. I mean, it's quick and it's peppy and it's a lot of fun, but it's not a screaming devil, all right? Even though it's supercharged, you're not going to get, 69, 70 miles an hour out of it. You're just not. You're going to get higher 60s, 67, 68, depending on how much you weigh and altitude and weather conditions and blah, blah, blah. But to that effect, the GTR 230 is a fun ski. And I really do like the GTR 230. It's 100 hours, which is low considering that it's, 4 years old. But I'm surprised that you're not terribly interested, or I'm surprised that you're getting rid of the 22 VX Cruiser and that you're going from Yamaha to Sea-Doo. I'm kind of surprised by that. That's not to say one thing or another, but it is a curiosity to me, because I find the VX, again, I'm a little too tall for the cruiser seats, but that's me personally. But I think is the VX a TR1 or is it an HO? If it's an HO, I'd say keep it, honestly. Now, if it's a TR1, then yeah, I get it. Jump to the supercharged ski if you want. It's going to have the old clutches. It's going to have the old supercharger. It's going to have the old Rotax. It's going to have, it does. It has, okay, Brady says it's got the TR1. So yeah, it's a fun little unit, but you're looking for something with a little more zip. I get it. I don't know, Brady, to be honest, I might pass on that one and see if you can't find a better deal on an HO, like a 1.8 liter VX, a VXR, dude. If you can get your hands on one of the early VXR R1, the previous generation, how they remember when they named it GP 1800R HO, before they ruined the name and just had it and called it the VXR, I would get the VXR. Oh, guy. That way you're not going into the fuel consumption. That way you're not dealing with an old supercharger setup. That way you're not dealing with other people's problems that are potentially catastrophic. I'm not saying it's a lemon. I am not saying it's a lemon. I'm just saying there's potential there. Man, I would really kind of keep your eyes peeled for an HO. I really would. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.